Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video and a view into Huck's world. And today we got some quick news to deliver to you. Some news that I think you just might want to hear, right? So a lot of you all do a lot of reading at night. You do a lot of video watching at night. So now YouTube was thinking about you and they're allowing you now to put YouTube in dark mode quite like you can on your computer. If you didn't know you could do it on your computer, yes, you can put it in dark mode on your computer as well. But for mobile, and we're talking about Android right now. I'm quite sure they have one for Apple. But we're talking about Android right now. So if you want to put it in dark mode, first thing you need to do is go to the Google Play Store, because this is the version you're going to need. You're going to need the version 13.36.50. Okay, it's been updated as of September 7th, so you should already have the update. What I did was when I went to YouTube, the update was waiting for me. So if you don't see the update and you see the version, then you already got the update. Go back to YouTube, and all you simply have to do is tap on that little icon of yourself right there and go into settings. And once you go into settings, tap on general, and then you'll see dark mode. Turn it on and you're all good. Now watch how slick this looks. It gets all that light out of your face when you're watching videos in low light and you're scrolling through. This is super slick. I'm gonna leave it in dark mode from now on. I think it looks pretty cool. So if you didn't know, now you know. Share this information with other people. Maybe they might want this too. All right, you all, that's going to be it for this quick video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. And if it was, please hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to be part of the channel, go ahead. It's okay to subscribe. And I will see you all again at the next video. Take care.